This is a final video to fix controller lag or stuttering in arc raiders, and if your controls feel delayed or jittery, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where your controller skips inputs, lags, or stutters no matter how many times you reconnect it? This usually happens because of input delay settings, outdated drivers, or background apps interfering with controller performance. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often don't work. That is why Rexus is sharing a simple secret trick that instantly fixes controller lag and stuttering, making your gameplay smooth and responsive. This easy method works fast, safely, and ensures your controller works perfectly in arc raiders. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally enjoy the game without any lag or stutter.